In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Zoho CRM. This process is essential for efficiently managing your customer relationships and ensuring all your important data is neatly organized and easily accessible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to prepare your file. You can use formats like CSV, XLS, or XLSX. It's crucial that the first row of your file contains headers that match the fields you have in your CRM. This way, your data will align correctly when imported. Take some time to clean and format your data beforehand. Remove any duplicates and make sure that all mandatory fields are filled out, such as the last name for leads. Be sure that values for pick lists or checkboxes match what's in your CRM, and that there are no special characters like less than or greater than signs or vertical bars, which might cause issues. If your file is large, over 5,000 rows or so, consider breaking it down into smaller batches, as CSV files handle large datasets more efficiently. Once your file is ready, it's time to launch the Import Wizard. First, navigate to the specific module where you want the data to go, whether that's leads, contacts, or deals. You'll find a menu with 3 dots. Click on it and select Import. Alternatively, if you're working with embedded forms, choose Import Subform. You'll then have the option to choose your source, from a file or migrating directly from another CRM. Now, let's configure the import options. Upload your file, then click Next. You'll need to choose the action that best suits your needs, whether you want to add new records, update existing ones only, or do both. Handling duplicates is another important step. Decide if you want to match on fields like email or ID, and whether you prefer to skip, overwrite, or clone those duplicates. Next up is mapping fields. Zoho CRM will attempt to auto-map as many as possible, but it's essential to review this carefully and manually adjust any columns that didn't align. Proper mapping ensures that your source data correctly integrates into the CRM fields you've set up. After mapping, you have the option to add advanced settings for the import. This includes assigning record owners or triggering specific workflows. You might also want to set up follow-up tasks or specify that lead approval is required as part of the import process. Finally, you're ready to start the import. Click Finish to kick things off. You'll see a progress bar indicating how far along the import is, and at the end, a summary pop-up will show you the successes and any errors that occurred. This is a good opportunity to check if you need to correct any issues for a seamless data import. And there you have it. By preparing your file carefully and following these steps, you'll ensure that your data is imported smoothly and accurately into Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching,